That's the total market cap of crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. Now, if we take that off there, we're still waiting for this ABC to complete. Okay. Take a measurement up here, right from the top down to your low. All right. We have a retracement right up to a 702 right there. All right. Pull the A down on top of the B wave. Yeah. Right down in this zone, anywhere from 485, roughly 483 to 495. Okay, so we still have roughly 14% to push down there. I have an alarm set here, right at this low rate here, so still waiting, roughly for another 14 push here. To get down here. That would be a 1-for-1 ratio. Does this have to do a 1-for-1? Doesn't have to, no. But most of the time, your A and your C wave are of equal length. Okay. Now, if we come over here, take a quick look. Let's show the crypto bubbles here real quick, and then we'll get into them other charts. Pretty decent day out there for the whole market. Yeah, you can see here everything's kind of popping here with Bitcoin a little bit. The bubbles are a little slow moving around, huh? Yeah. Well, we have tornado warnings where I'm at here, so trying to get videos out early, and it's kind of messing with my Wi-Fi here too a little bit. So please be a little bit patient here. Do want to come over here and show you the over here on CoinEgg. I want to show you the longs and shorts out there for Kaspa today. They are building up more longs than shorts. You can see here as soon as this loads up here. I apologize. Just having a little bit of, like I said, a little bit of problems with that Wi-Fi right now with these tornado warnings. Gonna get a little nasty out there. Alexa was blinking, and I'm sure you all know, but yeah, I was kind of shocked until tonight at 9 o'clock tonight where I'm at. They have tornado warnings. So 4-hour longs, roughly 53%, 47% short. So you do have more longs out there. There's roughly 1.12% more longs than shorts out there right now. So now you can see here, well, there's your Bybit and Binance. There's where most of your longs and shorts are at. But most people, you do have more longs than shorts out there. Okay, Bitcoin, we're watching for Bitcoin to run up. I'm looking for it to run up here, right into this resistance here. Okay, right up through here. Hit this 618, right up around 59, 60,000. And then do a C leg down. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Unless we bust through this resistance and this thing keeps going. But at that time, you're gonna have your RSIs. All right, your 4-hour is technically rolling over right now. It's not bearish. You don't have a bearish divergence there. Okay, your 8-hour. No bearish divergence there. It is actually bearish right now, and your 12-hour is still bullish, 95 and a 90. Okay, and you can see down here, no bearish divergence down there. All right, so I'm looking for a push up to that 618. If we get rejected there, all right, then we're probably heading down towards right around 50,000 bucks, high 49s. Right, a rejection at this that 618. Let me show you here real quick. We'll get a quick measurement on that because it's right around the high 49, around 50,000. All right, the mark on the 618 right there. Okay, and if we pull this A wave down on top, if this turns into an ABC structure, you're going to take out that low, and you're going to get one more push down. All right down to 49.9, 49.9, 50,000 bucks, right down to that level. Okay, that could happen, so just be prepared for that. All right, we come over here to Kaspa. Now, this one here. All right, now what I see going on in here, take a Fibonacci. go from our swing low to our swing high, this move right here. You got to hit right on here, okay? We had 5 waves down right through here. All right, now looking for an A, a B, all right, on top of that B leg. The C would take this potentially right up to 18.2, okay? 18.2. Now, hang with me here. Where would that put us? Around 18.2, okay? Let's get this off here. Now if we take a regular Fibonacci and put on top of this, where is that 18.2 going to end up at? Alright, say Bitcoin gets that push up to 60,000 bucks, right? It's going to push everything else up. Uh-oh. Look where that puts us. Right on a 702. Alright, so some questions will be answered there. All right, if we get rejected off that, obviously we got some downside. We'll deal when the time comes. Bust through that area. All right, we could be looking at higher prices. We're gonna have to get to that zone, but I am looking for a push up towards 18.2 now. Okay, as long as Bitcoin gets that push up to 60, that's going to push everything else up. Correct? I mean, that's just how everything goes here. Then we would be looking at right here. Okay, we had you can count them out through here. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down in here. Okay, then we would be looking at an ABC structure to the upside. There's a lot of guys, I know, a couple of my buddies, this is like their favorite thing to trade right here, this structure right here. So we'll see if we get that push up to 18.2, but that's what I'm looking at right here, guys. I mean, if you come over here on the daily RSI, let's get that up here. It is just turning to the upside here. All right, no bearish divergence in there, I don't believe. Let's pull this out here a little bit. Well, we do have a little bit of bearish divergence here, okay, which could absolutely come into play here. All right, you have this high right over here, and on the side, then you have a higher high in price and a lower high on the RSI. We get that push up to 18.2. It could roll over from there. We'll just have to wait and see. Unless this pushes up and prints a higher high down here on the RSI, when we get this this 18.2, we'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. But in the short term, that is that's what I'm looking for here. You have the 8-hour actually rolling over, no bearish divergence. You have room to the upside. You have the 12-hour right at the very top, still bullish. Look how low we are down here on the RSI. And where's the 3-day and the 5-day? The 3-day still correcting, 23 and a 36. All right, and the 5-day, yeah, still correcting out there. No bearish. Nope, just barely got a higher high out of there, but we did. Okay, on the smaller time frames, the 4-hour, is rolling over, trying to turn back up here. And the 1-hour is right at the very bottom, actually looking weak. But all these RSIs are pretty low. Okay, this thing, you could get a push. This thing could push down here before it pushes up, so don't be shocked if it does. As long as it doesn't take out this low over here, this thing totally still be in play. What looks to me like's going on in here is right here. You can see it playing out pretty decently. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 wave up in here. That's what it's looking like, don't it? I mean, you got the wave counts right in there, so we'll see what happens here, guys. But that's what I'm looking for. Push up towards 18.2, and then regroup. Anything if and this low was taken out, this B wave low down here at 15 and a half. If it takes that out, forget it. This is out of play. But that's exactly what this is looking like. An ABC. And like I said, I would imagine Bitcoin has at least one more push up. Be kind of odd for it not to, if it is going to roll over, not to get up here and get rejected. It's got bottom support here, and and on the daily, the bigger time frames, you got your 12 hours still bullish. You got that daily. Look where the daily's at. Look where it's at on the RSI down there, and you got bullish divergence on the daily. You got this low here, which is way up here. Yeah, you got bullish daily divergence here. You got this low way up here and a lower low in the RSI, and you have this low and you have a higher low in the RSI. So looking for that push up towards 59. We'll see what happens there. We get rejected, look for 50,000. We bust through, and then we'll come back and reassess here. But watching for Kaspa to head up towards that 18.2 level. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very soon.